Hey, tech enthusiasts! Today I'm going to show you how to unlock profits with SaaS, or software as a service. It's one of the hottest business models right now, and for good reason. Let's dive into some easy steps to get you started. First up, you need to identify a problem that your SaaS can solve. Think about everyday issues businesses face. Is it project management, customer relationship management, or maybe something niche like inventory tracking? The key here is to pinpoint a problem that's both urgent and widespread. Next, let's talk about research. Dive deep into your target market. Look at what's already out there and find gaps in existing solutions. Check out forums, social media, and even customer reviews. This will give you insight into what users are missing and what they really want. Now, it's time to develop your MVP. That's your minimum viable product. Keep it simple and focus on the core features that solve the problem. You don't need a fully polished product at this stage, just enough to test and gather feedback. Remember, you can always scale up later. Once you have your MVP, start beta testing, get real users to try it out and provide feedback. This is crucial for refining your product and ensuring it meets your market's needs. Plus, early adopters can become your biggest advocates. Marketing your SaaS is another key step. Use content marketing, social media, and email campaigns to spread the word. Create valuable content that educates and engages your audience. Think blogs, videos, and case studies. Leverage SEO to drive organic traffic to your site. Also, consider offering free trials or freemium models. These can attract users who are hesitant to commit up front. Once they experience the value, they're more likely to convert to paying customers. Don't forget about customer support. Providing excellent support can set you apart from the competition. Happy customers are loyal customers, and they're more likely to refer others to your service. Finally, always keep improving. Regularly update your software based on user feedback and market trends. Stay ahead of the competition by continuously innovating and adding new features. There you have it. By following these steps, you can unlock profits with your very own SaaS. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one. Peace.